Hello guys, hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. My name is Glambyizie, and if this is your first time of stopping by, you are welcome. Today's video will be this very soft look. First off, I'll be doing my eyebrows. I'll just breeze through this process real quick because I have a detailed eyebrow tutorial up on my channel. So right now I am applying eyeshadow primer, the usual one. Then I'll be applying an orange shade, a light orange shade, a little bit above my crease, and now I'm going in with a darker orange shade from my Mabrook palette, and now I'll be using that shade from my BH Cosmetics eyeshadow palette. It's a shimmer shade. So I'll just be blending that together with the orange shade that I applied earlier. So everything is seamlessly well blended. So that is what I'm doing now. To cut my crease out, I'll be using that small brush that I showed, and I'll be using the same eyeshadow primer. So when I'm cutting my crease, I cut a little bit above my natural crease line because I have folded eyes. If I open my eyes, the eyeshadow will transfer, and when my eyes are open, people will not even see that, okay, she cut her crease or anything like that. So that is why I always take it a little bit higher. So the first shade I'll be using, I'll still blend that the shade I used before to form like a V, and I'll go back into that orange shade to blend that together, just like I did for my crease area. So now I'll be using that blue shade, then I'll be using a gold shade, that blue shade just makes my eyes pop, and I'll just be blending the orange and to just tie the look together. I have a detailed video on this hairstyle as well. It will pop up on the screen if you want to try it out. So I'll be lining my eyes. I'm just going to speed this up because I'll be having the detailed how to use liquid eyeliner. I'll be having a detailed video on that very soon. So look out for that video. I won't be using lashes for this look because so this is the Flawless Ivy foundation. I had one before buying this. This bottle is actually bigger than that other bottle, and it's the same price. It's still the same price. It's 2,500 naira. The formula feels like it's the same. It's still the same formula, and it now comes with a pump like you guys saw just now. So I'm just gonna blend that all over, and final blending. I'll be setting my under eye with my House of Tara powder palette. It's the powder palette I usually use on my channel here, and I'll just be setting those areas. I did not do concealer contouring. I'm just doing powder contour This is what I mostly do when I'm like in a hurry. So I'll be using that blush. Is unbranded, like the brand name has wiped off. I'm one of those people who hated blushes for several years. So all of a sudden I just started using blush and I like it. So for my highlighter, I'll be using my Makeup Revolution Golden Sugar palette. If I play too much. Now I light my collarbone just a little, my ears. So for my under eye, I'll be using that black pencil, Frank B, or yeah, that's the name. Like it's a very cheap pencil, and it gets the job done, it gets the work done. So I'll be using that Zaron lip liner to line my lips. It's a wine shade. This is the Adventure liquid lipstick in the shade Hot Flame. Apply that. If you are using something like this, there's absolutely no need to line your lips, but I'm extra, so I just decided to line my lips. And I'll be using this Omaricode lipstick in the center. Obviously, it came out looking too light because the area where I applied the first lipstick shade was too small. So I'll go back in and adjust that. Yeah. Yes, it's cool now. So here is the final look, you guys. Here is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you are subscribed, you guys. Subscribe to my channel because YouTube tells me 80% of the people who watch my videos are not subscribed. So kindly subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends, your family, everyone around you. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.